Hey friends, we're Seth and Megan. The other day we ventured to Durango, which is about a 6-hour drive from Denver. Through all the snow, we were lucky to have this little co-pilot to help guide the way. But traveling through places like Hairpin Curve, when it was about 20 degrees and snowing like crazy, was absolutely terrifying, but it was so incredibly beautiful. The snow just kept piling up and piling up, but gave way to views like this, which is just absolutely stunning. While on the way, we actually stopped on the side of the road and we spotted this huge elk herd. And we sat for maybe 30 minutes and just watched this herd, and they were incredible to watch. There must have been 50 or 60 of them all together.
Welcome to our new home. JK, our Airbnb. But before I give you the tour, Seth has a few things he wants to say about how we got here.
So, this is a very anxiety-ridden story. We had everything planned, everything booked for a week and a half. Now, my assumption is when an Airbnb states in their house rules that pets are welcome, to me, that means both cats and dogs. In our bio, which people should look at before they approve us, it clearly states that we travel full-time with 2 cats. However, the morning that we were supposed to travel here to Durango from Denver, which is about a 5 to 6 hour drive, I got a message from our host. That message said that we were no longer allowed to stay in their Airbnb because of our cats. However, they gave us a full refund. So there was no issue other than the fact that Megan got 2 hours of sleep because she worked the night before. I was supposed to get up and pack everything and be ready to go. But that didn't happen. We ended up leaving like 4 or 5 hours later because we could not find an Airbnb here in Durango that allowed cats. Now what came next was even worse. While we were looking, we were sending messages to all these Airbnbs like, hey, do you allow cats? Would you allow cats? And accidentally, I hit confirm booking on one of them. Now, my assumption was I had already sent a message asking that before we book, can you let us know if you accept cats? Well, we found this Airbnb, which was well within our price range. It was everything we were looking for, and it was absolutely amazing. I messaged the person, the host, within like 15 minutes, they got back to me and said, yeah, we allow cats, $50 pet fee, everything was good. About a half hour after that, the person who I messaged first, again, this is probably 2 hours in the running, goes ahead and confirms our booking without ever messaging me back. So we can't get our money back. They're unwilling to give the money back. So halfway through our drive, we have to pull off on the side of the road. We have to call Airbnb customer support. They have to contact that person, work out this whole mediation. Luckily, we got all of our money back. We ended up here late last night, and it was absolutely everything that we could want in an Airbnb. So, I'm done rambling. Let's get back to Megan giving you the tour.
Alright guys, so upon entry into this marvelous Airbnb, you have this really long hallway. But when you get to about here, on this side, you have the first bedroom. In the first bedroom, you have a very large king-size bed. Now, if you know me and Seth right now in our Airbnb in Denver, we are both sharing a queen-size bed with 2 cats. So, directly across the hallway, we have a walk-in laundry room. You have a washer and a dryer. You have a sink, and you have everything that you might need to clean up any messes that may happen. Okay, let's keep going. So you have this random closet that has nothing in it, so that's not of importance. But you keep coming down the hall, and you have your very own wine cellar, which doesn't have any wine in it, but it's pretty cool. And continue down that very long hallway. So keep coming, and you have the first bathroom, which I guess you would consider this a full bath. It has a very large shower, a toilet, a sink, and they even left some nice like lotion, hand soap, shampoo, conditioner for you in case you forgot. Okay, so you come directly out of the bathroom into this beautifully made kitchen. Now, when I was reading about this Airbnb, they did say they had Viking appliances. I don't know what that is, but by the looks of it, they're very nice and they're very expensive. You got a microwave, you have your own oven, you have this ginormous, and I mean ginormous refrigerator. I've never seen one this big. Next, over in this corner, we have a couple coffee things that give you something to grind your beans, a coffee maker, a French press. I've kind of taken a look in these. It's just all your kitchen supplies. We have our stove here. And then as we come around, over here we have this massive sink, which I wish I had in my house, but I don't have a house. Maybe one day. And then you have your Viking dishwasher. So coming out of the kitchen, we're going to come around here. We're going to continue down that long hallway, and we finally make it to the living room. You have this massive sectional, and I kind of have a theme in this Airbnb. Everything is big and larger than life. So you have like 50 pillows, which you probably don't need that many, and then the couch, and then they leave some nice like books and magazines about Durango, so that's really cool because I picked up this one here, which is called Flavor, and it has all of like the best restaurants. We're actually gonna get dinner from one of these places, so that's pretty cool. Then, when you come over here, you got 2 little chairs, and then you have this huge TV, which is very large. I don't even know how many inches, but very large. So, after the living room, you come out to this big balcony. Oh, it's cold. Where you get a very nice view of the mountains. So it's a little too cold right now to actually come out here and enjoy a meal, but I would imagine in the summertime it'd be really nice to like wake up, make your coffee, get your breakfast, and come out to this picnic table, eat your breakfast while having beautiful views of mountains. But what's even cooler is the train that we rode earlier actually comes right in front of these buildings, so you can wake up and watch the train as it goes by. Now we come to my favorite place in the entire Airbnb, the master bedroom. Not only is there yet another king-size bed, but you also get these 2 massive windows and your own private entrance onto the balcony. Pretty cool. Okay, I lied. The bedroom isn't my favorite spot. This is my favorite spot for 2 reasons. One, we're about to get to, but when you come in, you have a sink over here with a nice mirror, which has pretty good lighting, might I say. And then over there, you have a walk-in closet that's full of our stuff, so we're probably not going to show that. But my number 1 reason, first, is this massive tub, which I'm so excited to take a bath in later. And it even has jets. Okay, and my number 2 favorite thing in this bathroom is this shower, which is pre-steamed, and you have waterfall shower. Alright, before we go, I had to show you what we got for dinner. We ordered from a place called El Moro in downtown Durango. We walked, it was like a 5-minute walk, came back. So I was going to go through and show you what we got. So Seth got these lollipop wings, which apparently are like wings and they pull the meat down and do all this fancy stuff. Looks really good. He also got this burger with some fries. Looks like there's some onions, pickles, sauce, bacon, goodness going on there. I got the Korean cauliflower wings, which are a good alternative to regular wings. And then last but not least, I also got a cheese board. Now I got to choose like what I wanted, how much I wanted. So I chose 2 different cheeses and a meat. This is some sort of aged cheddar. And then I forget what this one was, but it's wine infused. I got some salami and then it came with some bread. That's kind of everything. We're gonna go ahead and eat. It looks really good.
So there you have it. There is our tour of this immaculate sky house, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Airbnb in Durango, Colorado. If you're coming to ride the Durango Silverton train, I absolutely recommend that you stay here. Not only is it completely furnished, but you have everything you need within a walking distance. You get to park in a garage, which is a gated garage, so you never have to worry about your car being broken into or damaged in any way. This building is just a weird building full of restaurants and other apartments. There's a heart doctor
Like
down the hallway.
down. Yeah.
But you know what? I don't feel like this is an unsafe building whatsoever because every entry to this building is keypadded, locked, and completely secure. The hosts are absolutely amazing to talk to. They're truly understanding, and I'm speechless. Between the Stifle Theater in Salina, Kansas, if you haven't watched that video, go check it out on our channel. But between that one and this Airbnb, so far these are the top 2 Airbnbs that we've stayed in because they're just so livable and clean and immaculate. I could honestly live in this place. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like the video down below. Leave a comment on what your favorite Airbnb is. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.